I'm so freaking excited right now, man. A lot of y'all asked me what's the best set of motorcycle fairings, and mine just got delivered. Hold on just a second. As you can see, we got our Monster Fairings right here, and it's going on our baby, the ZX-10, and our bike is about to be completely different. It ain't gonna never look the same again, and I'm telling y'all, this is about to look so freaking fire. I can't lie, I am so freaking excited to open up these fairings. I've been waiting on these forever. I just wanna see kind of what the quality looks like before I show y'all the actual fairings. I don't even know if I'm gonna show y'all like the fairings. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, to be honest. I haven't really thought about it. Thought I had way more time to wait. Some heat shielding here. All right, which is standard. We got some more heat shielding. I guess we got heat shielding for each piece. Let me see how this looks. Okay. We got heat shielding for each piece, which is good to know. What piece is this? It's a side piece. Tail section, maybe? I don't know what piece this is. Huh. Dog, it's a lot of pieces in here. We got inners. We got outers. There's so many pieces in here. Holy crap. All right, let me see. How much should I be expecting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's so many pieces in here. I don't even know. All right, let's just get them laid out. Let's do that. I'm gonna find one that doesn't have the heat shield on it, and then okay, so this piece doesn't have a heat shield on it. Let me open that and see what that looks like. Ooh. Just about to go so freaking crazy, dog. Dog, this is about to go so hard. Oh my God, it's about to go so fucking This is about to go so freaking crazy, dog. What up, 1K fan? We are back with yet another video, and we are gonna be putting on the fairings to the ZX-10. Now, you probably already saw when I got them delivered because I was extremely excited, but now it's time to actually put them on and get this bike looking better. We're gonna get this ugly green the heck up out of here. Now, I will say, and I have all the fairings all over the place, but I will say that the packaging was not too bad. They're wrapped up nicely. So right now, I give them a pretty good packaging. You know what I'm saying? And I also got heat wrapping on the sides there, and they sent me extra heat wrap. And I heard a lot of stories about these fairings maybe not doing so well under heat. So I picked up some of this heat wrap tape that's supposed to be up to, I think they said 2,000 degrees or something pretty high. I'm gonna put this on the inside of the fairings that get close to the header so that they don't burn through, and then I'm gonna put the heat wrapping on top of this. So hopefully it has a good stick to it and that we don't have any issues. I'm thinking we shouldn't have any issues. And a lot of you guys wanna know about this bolt. I'm gonna get this bolt changed out. We're not gonna have to deal with that ugly bolt no more. And I will be a little honest, I did start working on the bike last night, so we did get these pieces off right now. And I can tell you, I like the way this bike looks. All right, as you can see, we already got this piece done and the tail piece done, which it looks freaking great. But we've got so much more we gotta keep on doing. Yeah, Kawasaki does not make fairings easy to take off. Hey, we're gonna make it shake regardless. Now let's finish pulling out the rest of these fairings so we can kind of get a good gist of what we're looking at. I think this is the undercarriage, goes under the wing like that. I don't know why I said wing, I meant the front fender. This piece is the front fender, which has the air intake. These are the side panels, but let's get this front fairing unwrapped. See what they're talking about here. I can tell you one thing, they wrapped the crap out of these. These are still fully wrapped. Yeah, they definitely wrap the heck out of them and make sure the foam stays on. Okay, I like this so much, bro, because if you see, I got my signature right here in the fairing, the J1K signature. I love that so much, bro. I was a little worried that it wouldn't look good in person, but it actually looks so much better than I thought. In the pictures, it did not look too good, but it actually looks great. All right, this is a piece that I wanted specifically for you guys, the 1K fam on the side of the bike. I like it. I know it might be a hit or a miss for some people because it is white and it kind of sticks out, but I really like it. I can't lie, I really like it. All right, so we do have all the pieces unwrapped now. The headpiece, the side panels, the front fender, all the rest of the side panels. And now all we gotta do is get them on the bike. Now again, this part looks pretty good, and I will point out my grievances and a little bit later on in the video. However, for now, it looks pretty good. All right, so we got a lot of the bike done. Well, not really, actually. But I don't have a screwdriver short enough to get some of these self-tapping screws out of the ZX-10, which Kawasaki, you made a terrible motorcycle design when it comes down to taking this bike apart. But anyway, I don't have them, so I've got to run to the auto parts store and see if I can get a shorter screwdriver. For now, I gotta take a break, dog. I'm irritated. All right, good morning, guys. It is day 2 of putting these fairings on. And when I say Kawasaki is a menace, oh my gosh. Just to get the fairings off took all day yesterday because of all the intricacies in getting the fairings off. Literally the most complicated set of fairings I've ever taken off. But we have made progress. This is where we are right now. And oh my gosh, she is looking good. We got that bottom panel left. What else do we got? We got the inner panel, the front fender, and then we just got this right side left, and then we are all good to go. So let's get that worked on, and I'll start letting y'all know how I think about this fairing set. We are pretty much done, and look at how good this bike looks, bro. Oh my gosh, I went crazy. I can't lie to you. The freaking burgundy fading into the black with the freaking logo on the side over here, with the signature in the freaking headlight, bro. We went crazy. Absolutely nuts. What up, y'all? Look, we have finished the ZX-10. Now, before I show you the ZX-10, I want you to know a little secret. It's actually been done for about a month, and I've been using the fairings for about a month so I could give y'all a real and honest review of the fairings. First off, though, we got to give y'all an actual view of the fairings. So here is my ZX-10. Here is the fairings that are completely done. You have the 1K fam on the side. You have the signature in the headlight, exactly how I wanted it. Everything looks very good from afar. Now, there are a few pieces I want to talk about. So one, the keyhole piece. I actually had to make that fit. It did not fit when it came from the factory or when it came from Monster. And because of that, I had to take like a little drill bit and extend it, but it's done now, it fits. Two would be this little tail section. The tail section isn't bad. It just, I don't know. I feel like it just doesn't sit exactly how the OEM tail section fits. I don't know. It could just be me. I could be over exaggerating, but it's okay. It's not terrible. But then we get to the tank. Now the tank came with a tank cover, but as you can see, there's only so much covering you can do of the OEM tank. So I am gonna have to still wrap that. And not only is it there in the front, but it's peeking out through parts like this, and on the other side, it's actually peeking out even worse, like right here, and if you look down through there. All in all, it's not perfect. I never expected it to be perfect, but this is what we got. Now, it is pretty good. Again, from a distance, it looks actually really good. Even up close, it kind of looks pretty good, to be honest. I can't lie to you. Like, it came out exactly the way that I wanted it to come out. I really don't have any just complaints about it. I do like my things to be a little bit better as far as quality and everything being pinpoint perfect. And this just, it's not perfect. So I'm gonna answer a few questions that you guys might have. First off, give you an overall rating of the fairings. Out of 10, I probably give it an 8 out of 10. Customization was perfect. The paint looks really good. It's just the fit isn't 100% perfect. When it comes down to shipping, I know a lot of you guys had questions about shipping. The whole process for me took about a month. However, again, Monster sent these out to me to make these videos. So with that being said, I kind of think that the shipping would be a little bit better. You have to look at the reviews and make your judgment call by yourself. That's something you have to do about shipping. Now, when it comes down to the overall fitment of the fairings on this bike, I gotta keep it real.
I would say the fitment up front is not bad at all. Even the side pieces are not bad at all. Even the tail, even though it's not perfect, it's really not bad. It's not OEM, but it is one step under OEM. It's not that bad, for real, seriously. Would I recommend that you guys buy these fairings? 100%, I do think that if you were looking for aftermarket fairings, these would be the way to go. Now, I will tell you two things. Don't get a tank cover, just wrap the tank. It'll look a lot cleaner, it'll fit a lot better, just wrap the tank. And also, have some tools ready to make some minor alterations. Again, nothing is gonna be OEM because it's not OEM. So you should be prepared to make some minor alterations. All in all, it was easy for me to get the fairings back on the ZX-10. And if I had to do it over again, I probably would. But since I don't have to do it over again, I won't. With that being said, if y'all like this video, please leave a like down below. Y'all keep it 1K, AKA 1,000. Ride safe. Peace.